Hey Dressy Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Giulia from Pixar's Luca. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm just going to come down, come across about right here. And draw a curve and connect at the bottom of a big curve. So towards the center and then go right back up. There. So now that we have this big curve in, let's come back to where we started. And on the edge, I'm going to draw a big circle. And do the same thing on the other side, about right here. And now that we have our circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And now that we have our eyes in, let's come over here and just gonna add some lashes. Simple little two little curves to spruce it up, and same thing over here, just on the sides. Then from there, let's come to the top. I'm going to draw her brow. So say about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve that slightly comes downwards and thicken it up right over her eye. So same thing on the other side, about right here, curve that slightly comes downwards. Round it off and thicken it up. Then let's give Giulia here a sweet and a mischievous smile. So right here, let's draw a big curve that goes all the way up and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's draw her ears. So I'm going to come to about in this area right here where her eye is. I'm drawing a big curve for her ear. And I'll come in here with some details, one curve and another curve. So same thing over here. Let's just drag a point across to approximate where I'm going. And draw another big curve and the inside details. From there, that now we have that in, let's bring this up. So let's come past her brow, about right there. And here, same thing on the other side. And now we need to draw her amazing hair, right? So to make it a bit easier, let's start in the center with a big curve right between her brow. I'm gonna come about right here and just draw this really big curve right in here. And then I'm just gonna put in 1 and 2. More curves. So now to create this big tuft of hair, we're going to go up. And let's see here, let's bring this across. About right there. And let's come one more. And one last one right here at the top. So we're just kind of creating this shape that kind of grows outwards, right? Then from there, let's connect it. So like over her brow, say about right here. I'm going to draw a curve that comes down. Whatever space you have left, just connect it. And from there, this is where her cap is going to start. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And in this space, I'm just going to draw this curve that tucks into her ear. And same thing over here. Draw a curve that tucks into the ear. And then, let's see here. Now let's work on her cap. So about right there. I'm going to go up. Since it's easier for my hand, I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to bring down a curve. So I'm going to start with her cap and bring it down. And let's see. It's not high enough, so let's bring in another layer for the, will be the folded part, and this will be the cap itself. So right there, draw a curve. And then on this side, we're going to see a little part of that cap. So let's add just a curve right here. And you can color it blue, just an indication of it. And then we can start her hair, which is kind of like at this triangular shape, right? So let's come about right here. And I'm going to start with some curves. And I want to bring it back to about right here. So curve it out, creating this angle. And bring it in. There. So on this side, the same thing. I'm just going to bring this out. And curve. And curve. And once again, come in here. Sometimes big curves, sometimes small curves, right? Just to build this hair. And if you like, we can add some details. You can do this when you're coloring, but I just want to show you for a cap, I'm going to lightly put in these lines right here. And in the hair, you can also do this when you're coloring, but I just want to show you real quick and just add these curves in here to give it more texture. Hopefully that doesn't look too weird. And so same thing over here. There, just to give her hair some texture. Okay, so then now that we're done with that, let's draw her body. So I'm going to come right in the center and give her a little neck. And I'm going to bring this down for her shoulders. And same thing here. And let's find her armpit. So let's say about right here. And here. And from there, I'm going to draw a slight angle line down, just very slightly. So now we know what we're working with. Let's come back up, and I'm going to draw a small curve right at the top, very high up. And let's bring this down a tiny bit more, about right there, and I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to start to draw her pants, and let's bring this out. Going to come down, and once again go right across. Then from there, let's come down nice and low, let's say about right here. Give myself an angle line, and from there I'm going to start the pants. So I'm going to kind of give it a little curve because her jeans do kind of flare out. So just got a little curve, bring it down, and this is going to curve as well. So bring this down about right there, and bring this part down. So see how far you want to bring it. So say about right there. I'll stop and cut it off with a curve. Then to draw those huge cuffs, just come right here, give a little wobble, and connect. So same thing here, give it a little wobble and connect. There. And then now for her feet, let's come about right here, curve out, same thing here, and then we're going to give a heel, bring this out for her toes, so about right here, come in. And we're going to go one big one for the toe, and then 2 and 3 smaller ones. You can come in here with some curves. and then the bottom part, so for her sandal. So I'm going to come right under her feet and just surround it. And then we need to add a strap at the top. So just come right here, pop this out for the strap. There. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So about right here, slight angle, pop out the heel, and once again the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottom. And the strap. And pop it out. There. So I hope that helped you draw her cute little feet. And then from there, let's draw her arms. So I'll bring this up. Slight curve for her top, and bring down her sleeves, bring it in, short sleeves, and her hands, I'm going to have them on her hip, so I want her hands to be about right here. So I'm going to come right here for her arms, and angle right there, and angle again. Then from there, let's thicken it up. Elbow, and then in, angle, and then right here, just add a little curve. So same thing on the other side. Right here. Drag a point across, just to make sure. Angle, just like the other side, and let's thicken it up. Angle and a curve right there for her arms. Okay, so then for some details, let's come right here in the center, draw a circle, and 2 curves right on each side, and let's bring a center line down, some pockets right here on the sides. And this little patch that she has right here. So I'll just go ahead and draw this patch, and then you can come in here, some of these lines. And let's see here. Last but not least, of course, let's add a heart right in the center. So her shirt has these orange stripes, but I'm going to put a heart right here, and you can put the stripes right over the heart. But that is pretty much it for my version of Giulia here from Pixar's Luca. And I really hope you love her just as much as all the other characters like Luca and the cat that I've drawn so far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.